Alright guys, I had to come to the back of my classroom because today is April Fool's Day and I'm going to play an April Fool's joke on my students. It's the end of the day, so this morning I told them that I was going to give them brownies. And so like right now they're super excited because we're about to go home and they think they're getting brownies, but they're really getting brownies. So yes, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna try to get their reaction. I'm not gonna show them, but I'm gonna try to get their reaction when I give them the brownies to see what they say and what they think. All right, see y'all in a minute. All right, who ready for their brownie? All right, y'all worked so hard today, and when I call your name, you're gonna come up and get your brownie. Y'all ready? All right, Deshaun, come get your brownie. You had a great day.
That's real?
All right, Riley, here's your brownie. I hope they're tasty for you. All right, here you go.
This is April Fool's Day.
Here you go.
April Fool's.
What is what?
April Fool's Day trying to trick us.
I didn't try to trick y'all. This is a brownie. Didn't I tell y'all I was gonna give y'all a brownie today? That's what it is. Go line up. Good job. If you got your brownie, let's go. Here you go. There's your brownie. This is a brownie. This is a brownie. There go your brownie. This is a brownie. Yes, it is. You really earned your brownie today. Here's your brownie for you. There's a brownie. She just for laughing.
Wait, let me see.
It's a brownie for you.
That's not a brownie.
And a brownie. You don't want your brownie? You okay? She don't want it.
I will eat.
Y'all, they so mad. I got them so good. Hey, y'all. Hey, April Fool's Day.